Hello friends, welcome to Home Tutor. This is your personal teacher Neepa Nivin. In 9th standard history, chapter 1 deals with French Revolution. Through this chapter, we will know what is French Revolution, then the society during the late 18th century in France, the status of women, outbreak of the revolution, France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic, etc. So in this video, let's start with the intro and let's find out what is French Revolution. The French Revolution. On the morning of 14th July 1789, the city of Paris was in a state of alarm. The king had commanded troops to move into the city. Rumors spread that he would soon order the army to open fire upon the citizens. So, in the morning of 14th July 1789, the citizens in the city of Paris was quite alarmed. Alarmed means they found that there was a danger. Only this is because the king had asked his troop to come to the city, and another thing is that there was a rumor that have already spread. Sometimes the army will be asked to open fire or to shoot upon the citizens. So after that, some 7,000 men and women gathered in front of the town hall and decided to form a people's militia. What is people's militia? People's militia means that the population will gather together to form a military arrangement, that is force raised by civil population. Normally the military will be under a king, but this militia, people's militia, is that a lot of people will gather together to form a military association. They broke into a number of government buildings in search of arms. After forming a people's militia, they have gathered together and they have broken unauthorized in many government institutions for getting some arms like gun, sword, bomb, etc. Finally, a group of several hundred people marched towards the eastern part of the city and stormed the fortress prison, the Bastille, where they hoped to find hoarded ammunitions. After forming a people's militia, hundreds of people have gathered together and they have went to the eastern side of Paris. There you can see the Bastille Fort. What is Bastille Fort? Bastille Fort is an area which is under the state government for running a state prison. Its name is Fortress Prison, where they hope that they can get some hoarded ammunitions. Hoarded ammunition means that a stored supply of food or items. In the armed fight that followed, the commander of the Bastille was killed and the prisoners released thought there were only 7 of them. Okay, after breaking up to the Bastille, they have killed the commander of Bastille and they have released 7 of the prisoners that have been there. Yet the Bastille was hated by all because it stood for the despotic power of the king. What is despotism? Despotic means a ruler with absolute power and he'll be ruling his country with cruelty also. Here Bastille was a place where the king showed his despotic power. The fortress was demolished and its stone fragments were sold in the market to all those who wished to keep a sovereign of its destruction. After the destruction or demolition of the building in Bastille, the people took the stones and remainings to the market and they sold it for keeping it as a souvenir. What is souvenir? Souvenir means a thing that is kept as a reminder of a place or a person or event. For example, we can keep Taj Mahal as a souvenir once we have visited Agra. The days that followed saw more rioting both in Paris and the countryside. After this rioting, again, lot more riots have carried out in day by day in Paris and also in the countryside, that is in village areas of Paris also. Most people were protesting against the high price of bread, Much later, when historians look back upon this time, they saw it as the beginning of a chain of events that ultimately led to the execution of the king in France, though most people at the time did not anticipate its outcome. So, a lot of changes had happened in between the French Revolution and the king. Actually, I have not discussed about the king. We can say that Louis XVI was a king during the French Revolution, and he had ruled from 1774 to 92 in the line of Bourbon monarch. Then he was executed for treason. Treason means betraying one's country or attempting to kill the sovereign to overthrow the government. That is known as treason. So he was executed for treason by guillotine. Guillotine means executing a person by cutting his head with sharp knife-like objects. So the people at that time was suffering from lot of cruelties, despotic rule, then starving, high price for bread, etc. So when all these came into chain, and finally this lead to the execution of the king in France, was considered as a process, a sequential process by historians that was not at all expected by the local people in France. Then how and why did this happen? So next we are going to look at how and why all these things happened in between the French Revolution. King Louis XVI was executed in 1793. Figure 1 shows the storming of the Bastille. Storming means attacking a place in the form of a storm, a wild wind. Soon after the demolition of the Bastille, artists made prints commemorating the event. So I have already said that Bastille was an area for despotic rule of the king, a place where all the cruelties were carried out. So when this area was demolished by the people, citizen of France was quite happy, and this day, for commemorating this day or for remembering this day, lot of artists have made different type of pictures, and this figure 1 is one such picture. Okay, once again let's revise the topic. You should definitely remember the year even though you forget the date, because 1789 is one of the most important date in the history of times. 789. So it's easy to remember. So the date of French Revolution is 1789. On 1789, July 14th, a lot of people gathered in Paris, and they came to know that the king is about to take some actions against them. And there was a rumor that the king will be ordering the army to open fire upon the citizen. Who was the king? King, that is Louis XVI, was a king, or the last king of France at that time. He ruled France from 1774 to 92 in the line of Bourbon monarch, and he was executed for treason by the method of guillotine. Okay, so after getting this information, the citizens became panic, and about 7,000 men and women gathered together in front of the town hall to form a people's militia. After that, they have checked into the government institutions in search of some arms also. Finally, they traveled to the eastern part of the city of Paris, and they have stormed into, that is, they have started to use their force and get into the fort of Bastille, and they went there for getting some horrid ammunitions. After that, they have fought with the army of Bastille and have killed the commander and released seven prisoners from Bastille prison, that is a fortress prison. Then again after that, this place, we could say that Bastille is a place where the despotic power of the king was enjoyed very much. People saw this place as a place of horror, because most of the cruelties in Paris were carried out in this prison only. After demolishing fortress, people took the fragments of stone from market and kept it as a souvenir for commemorating or thinking the date of demolition of Bastille Fort. Later after this incident, a lot of riots have happened in Paris and the countryside. Then all these things happened in a sequential manner because rioting, cruelty, despotism, price hike of bread, everything happened in a sequential manner. Finally, the people didn't expect that the king would be executed for a treason issue by the method of guillotine. Treason means betraying one's country or attempting to kill the sovereign or overthrowing the government. So Louis XVI have been executed by the method of guillotine in 1793. That was not at all expected or anticipated by the people of France at that time. Okay, friends and children, I hope that you have understood this session, and if you have some comments, please drop your comments down. And thank you very much for watching the video. The continuation of this chapter will be on the next video. Please watch, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.